music as we welcome back to the stage Mr. Jamie Docherty. Well, we do hope you've enjoyed something tricky this evening, but we would like you to join us in thanking some very important people that we couldn't do the show without. Can you please thank our sound and light team, the boys in the box? Cheers, guys. Also, our backstage team, Mark, cheers. Couldn't do the show without you. And of course, let's thank your performers this evening. You had your fabulous assistant, Miss Megan Duvage. We're going to keep that. Your very homegrown, Mr. Jamie Docherty. The dexterity of Matthew Garrett. And our singer, your top vocalist, Mr. Craig Teasdale. But there's one more person we need to thank, and that's you guys. Give yourselves a round of applause, because we couldn't do it without you.
There is also someone else we'd like to thank, and that is your host and compere for this evening, Mr. Paul Metcalf. Couldn't have done it without him.
Cheers, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much. This has been something tricky. We hope you've enjoyed it. We hope to see you in the not too distant future. We wish you well, your safe journeys home, and we'll see you very, very soon. Good night, and God bless. See ya.